Good day to all. This is the second video in the series of training videos in sales. Rather than trying to overwhelm the prospect with the features and benefits of product and services, I focused on learning about the prospect's situation and how I could best help him or her. With this new method, my sales went up. One shall ask series of questions to understand the needs of the prospect. I rehearsed and practiced the best sentences and phrases from the best salespeople until I could recite them in my sleep, and my sales went up and up. Just like any top performing athletics or sports person, it is only the practice which will keep us in the top position. So, keep practicing all sales trainings and methods. Follow the leader. If you do what other successful people do over and over again, nothing in the world can stop you from eventually getting the same results that they do. And if you don't, nothing can help you to perform poorly. There is no need to invent any innovative methods of sales. Only we have to do the best practices available in the industry through this sales training. Learn from the experts. In every case, what these top people did was learn from the experts. They discovered what other top people were doing to be successful, and they did the same thing themselves again and again until they got the same results. So, you can also do the same. As a professional salesperson, you are the mover and shaker in our society. The only question is, how well do you sell? It is the business houses which generate asset and money for the entire world to perform and function. For a business to function, the salespeople are very, very important. So be proud that you are part of this asset generating system. So sales is a profession which everyone can feel proud of. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can listen to more videos like this in the coming days. Thank you for listening. And then place your comments so that I can improve myself to give a better training to you. Do you want to join the community of achievers? Then join my course one on one online training. 30% improvement in 6 months is guaranteed.